Between Lorca and Mazarrón, the rural landscape sets the scene for today's house. Spontaneous vegetation, a vast sky, and gentle topography. Here, a structure that was nearly in ruins finds new life. The restoration is partial, preserving what remained and adding only what was necessary, connecting past and present without rupture. Time slows down, and the place becomes inhabited again with serenity. In La Casa en Los Llanos, the very soil of the site becomes the material that builds its walls. Semi-earthen enclosures, made from the local earth, reveal subtle variations of color and texture that change with the light. The handcrafted character gives rhythm to the surfaces and echoes the work of the land, establishing a direct parallel between construction and territory. Nothing is excessive, everything seeks belonging. A glass lookout extends toward the open landscape of Los Llanos, bringing the horizon inside. Transparency dominates the scene, and the edge of the house becomes a silent observation point where the countryside seems endless. Parts of the original roof were recovered and transformed into furniture. Planks that once sheltered a small stable now form shelves in the living area, reinforcing the logic of material circularity. In alignment with Spain's Ley de la Calidad de la Arquitectura, this approach values local resources, reuses and recycles what is possible, and integrates the house harmoniously with its surroundings. What were once small rooms typical of the 1960s and 1970s have been replaced by an open social area. Without a horizontal ceiling, the full volume is revealed, giving the space a sense of openness. Natural light travels across the surfaces, highlighting the grain of the earthen walls and creating a gentle gradation between brighter and more sheltered areas, while the glass lookout extends the view toward the horizon. The private wing is organized compactly. Bedrooms and the bathroom occupy the remaining volume, ensuring privacy and quietness without losing material coherence. Openings are precisely measured to control views and the entry of light, preserving a calm atmosphere in every space. The intervention carefully restores the rural essence and wraps it in contemporaneity. There is no rupture with the place, only continuity. The earth that builds the walls, the wood that finds new purpose, the glass that brings the landscape closer. The memory of those who once lived here remains, now aligned with new ways of living, connecting past and future. La Casa en Los Llanos by Pepa Diaz Arquitecta asserts a discreet and timeless presence, a shelter that integrates matter, light, and landscape, combining modernity, functionality, and nature in a serene way, deeply rooted in its environment.